have to eat today? I wonder what we have. Oh, nothing. Well, let's go check somewhere else. Maybe there's something in the fridge. Oh, I guess there's nothing in there either. I'm gonna go blow my nose. Oh, look at that poor tissue. Someone better pick it up. Oh. Who's that? Who are you? Mama. Mama. Stop standing in my bathroom and mom someone. Jeez. Oh, he stole my trash can. Oh, pity the fool that trips on that. Oh, my. I wonder. Oh, that reminds me of ballet practice. Who the hell is watching me? You know how much you scared me? You. Boy, get out of my face. Get off my face.